Okay, we are going to create a book using Little Bird Tales. So we're going to go to the internet, and in our address bar we're going to type in littlebirdtales.com, and when this pops up we're going to hit the button Sign In. Now you are going to be given your username and password by the teacher, and you have to sign in, and you have to put your codes that the teacher gives you, and you're going to hit sign in. Now we are going to create a tale. So here you're going to create a tale. And right here, we are going to put some artwork. And we're going to get something from the gallery. Let's see. Okay, there's none in the gallery. So let's go ahead and upload something. Great. There's a picture of me. Okay, so now we are going to add a voice. We're going to go here and we're going to hit record. Step 1, add a picture. Step 1, we will add a picture. And hit the stop button when you're done. Now if you want to preview what you've written, you hit the play button. Step 1, we will add a picture. Okay. Now, we are going to hit the save button. Once it saves, that's our cover page to our story. So we can go to our next page and we will hit, let's draw something. We will draw. Let's draw a picture real quick. Okay. There we go. Okay, and we're going to save it. Then we're going to go and add a voice to it again. Add voice recording to your second page that you will use to type your words. Then we're going to go right here to text and we're going to put first. You add your text. And then you will go back and record what your text says. For example, first add text. And hit the stop button. Now we're going to save this page. And you continue here with the orange button, adding a page until you have completed your story. Once you have completed your story, make sure you hit the save button. And then we're going to hit the preview button. It's going to make sure your volume is up all the way.
Step 1, we will add a picture.
Then you will preview your story. Once you are done, you hit the close button. Now, you're going to go back over here to the left where it says Tail Actions. And you will share it. When you hit share, you type in the email, preferably your teacher, and then it will give you a code. Then you are done.